If you're looking in the wrong market, it's gonna really just get you upset. Primary, secondary, and tertiary market is like super important when you're first starting out to understand the concept and really get out there and start looking. And it's just, being in a primary market is like super expensive right now. I mean, storage, everybody wants to be in storage. Back when I started 7 years ago, nobody gave a crap about storage. All right, now everybody wants to be in it. So all the prices are expensive. And I just got it, I just got an email from somebody that's like, hey, I'm just going to hold off till the end of the year to buy something, because like the market's crazy and expensive and like, I can't find stuff. But the truth is like, I'm finding deals all the time. But the reason why I'm finding the deals is because I'm looking in the right markets. I am looking in the markets where I can find and afford the facility. All right. And that's why I'm buying so many facilities. If you're looking in the wrong market, it's gonna really just get you upset. Okay. All right. That's my soapbox, and I'm sticking to it. Okay. Now let's go. So now we've looked in Auburn. We already know that there's like there's way too much competition. Extra safe storage loves Auburn. Live storage loves Auburn, right? So it's going to be more expensive for the storage facility. So I would not be looking in here unless you can spend a couple $1 million on storage. All right. So now let's try to do storage in Nottasuga. Oh, see, yeah. Okay. Now we're talking. All right. So now we're getting sponsored. This is just like whatchamacallit, an ad. So we don't worry about this one. Skip past this. So now we've got FSC Buildings, which is probably a company that builds storage facilities, which is very good to know. And then you've got Tallahassee Storage, which is that other town right here. This one had like, I think, what was it, like 7,000-8,000? What does Nottasuga have? Yeah, Nottasuga. Okay, 916 people. Perfect. All right, now we're talking. All right. It sounds like it's not a lot, but the thing is that you're in an area where I'm telling you, there are a lot of people that live in this area. And from going from Montgomery to Columbus, and then, Opelika and Auburn and these little tiny towns and stuff, I'm telling y'all, there's a lot of people living in this area. So then you say, okay, I can't afford Auburn because, it's too expensive. And I can't obviously afford Montgomery or Columbus because those are bigger cities. So let me, look at these little tiny towns in between this area. So that is how I'm coming to this area. That's why I'm coming here, right? So now we have Tallahassee Mini Storage. We've got West Tallahassee. Look at that. That's a good looking storage facility. That's a Tallahassee. Look at that. It's all gravel, looking good. Owner's taking care of it. It's got a big sign there. So I mean, this is a very good area for you to be looking at, to get started in. Simply Storage Acres. This is the climate control, indoor climate control. We've got Stock and Barrels. Okay, this is like a gun shop. Okay, I don't know why that's coming up with storage, but and then Tallahassee Storage. Look at this. See, Tallahassee Storage. Look at this. See, this guy, this is my kind of a guy here. Tallahassee, he's got the north, he's got the east, he's got the central. He hasn't gone down south yet though, but he's taken over the town, So so this is a good area. We got BJ Enterprises. What does BJ look like? BJ, look at this one. BJ's got it's a storage facility. Look, there's a hidden gem right here. The hidden gem. It's a storage facility right here all by itself. So let me go to B and J here. So what I do is this is exactly what I'm doing is I'm just looking in these towns, right? I'm looking in these little tertiary market towns in between some bigger towns. And then I'm looking at the storage facilities and I'm familiarizing myself with what kind of facilities are in the area, right? I don't want to be going over here to life storage. This is primary market, right? We don't want to be here. We can't go over to, we can't go there, so we're going over here, ABC Mini. Look at this, a good looking storage facility. Look, it's got 1 star. You just see that? 1 review. It's got 3 reviews, 1 star. Perfect storage facility to be calling and talking to the owner. He don't want this thing. He don't want the storage facility. If he wanted it, he'd be running it better. There's not even a website. No website. All right. And it's actually not really too bad. I mean, look at this thing. It's kind of bigger. You know, it's got a nice sign on the front, but the owner sucks at managing this thing. Okay.
Hey everybody, this is Stacy here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am here to teach you how to get your foot into this industry. You're watching this video because you want to learn how to get started in self-storage investing, or maybe you own facilities and you want to be a better manager, a better owner. That is what I do, is I teach people how to do that. So please like this video and also subscribe, hit the subscribe button, because that's what YouTube wants. So in order for me to get out the word on how to get started in this industry, I really need your help. Again, I appreciate you listening to me, and I'm here to help you on this journey, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.